Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Extreme Lemon, and in today's video I will be unboxing my new live streaming microphone. That is right guys, I got a new one, but sadly I won't be able to use it for a few days after making this video because I have an arm for it that's going to be coming in the mail. It's kind of like a big attachment for it, so I won't be able to use it for a few days, but I'm still going to unbox it and see it for the first time with you guys. So I'm really excited, and let's get this thing unboxed. So first, hopefully there's no information that gives out my address and there's some sort of serial killer comes and finds me. That'd be quite bad for views, I would think. And okay, we just got this bag. This thing's like really protected. Oh my god, I see the box. Okay. Yeah, I've been spending some time. You guys can see my scissors right there, and I hope you guys had a good Christmas. This is the very first video that I'm doing after Christmas, so I hope you guys had a good Christmas. And here is the box, guys. I do not know how to pronounce the first word on it, and I don't even know where it says it. It's a professional. I can't read upside down. It's a professional large diaphragm studio recording microphone. That is a large name, and like this is the part that I'm missing that I ordered, so it'll be here in a few days. But this is what came. Wait, there it is. This is the part that came, and I'm sorry about the reflection, but you know, lighting. That's what it does, and it's a new series, and you guys can get this on sale. It's on sale right now on Amazon. You guys can get this for around $20 right now, but hurry up because when it's not on sale, it will cost you around $110. So get there, save that money. It's called it's like a Florian or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. And it should be a really good microphone. And okay, so it says open up here. So let's see if we should open this up. Hopefully, my first time actually seeing this. I've been waiting since Christmas to get this, guys. I spent some money. Is it upside down? Wait, I think it's upside down. Wait. Cut. Okay, there. I think it was upside down. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then there's my address. No, not really. It's actually smaller than I thought, but that's okay. So we got so it's called a broadcasting and recording microphone. So that's good. So kind of some instructions right here, guys. I'm gonna go through some of the kind of boring stuff, not like the microphone itself at first. And frequency response graph. That looks pretty cool. I'll read through some of that later on. I'll make it so you guys might be able to see it just a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, this is a really cool way. What's this? Product service warranty. Ooh, I got a warranty for it. Oh, good. Oh, good. The warranty, guys, just want to let you know, it's not in my language. I think this is Chinese. If you guys know what this says, please let me know. But yeah, here it is, guys. Right here. What a thing. What a mic. What a thing. I kind of just want to get right into it, the mic itself, but let's get into the cord itself first. Apparently this thing takes a lot. Oh my gosh, it does. That is a big plug. Hopefully my computer has it. If it doesn't, I might be in trouble here. I might have to get one of the power boxes or whatever those things are called. But here is the mic. This thing is cold. It's been outside, you guys can tell. This is what plugs into the bottom of the mic. And this thing, I have a big hand, and look at this cord. Holy crap, this thing is huge. This is like an extension cord right here, guys. A freezing one at that. But that's good. Dear God, I hope this works. If this doesn't work, I might be quiet. I'm actually going to check right now. It works. Okay. I'm pretty sure it fits, guys. It's heavy duty. That's good. So let's put that over there. I got a pretty big computer, so it should be compatible with it. This is the thing that I'm not really worried about. The thing that looks really cool. I like the color of this mic as well. Watch it just break in my hands. So let's get this thing unboxed, or unbagged, if you would. Watch me just break it. Let me get some scissors real quick, guys. And when you know you need new scissors, it can't cut bag. Seriously, this is barely a bag. Okay, just check it on the ground. What am I gonna do, huh? This is kind of its case, and then that's where This is kind of like where the arm's going to connect on it, and this is freezing. If they had like Freeze D, it's kind of like 3D, but you can feel the cold or hotness. This would what it would be. So that's like, I forgot what that's called, but that's what that is. If you guys want to get a closer look, there it is. I'll show you that more. We're going to still put this thing together. But then we got this, which will go over the mic. It is just looks like coal. Well, it kind of looks like Santa's nose. No, not Santa's nose. What am I thinking of? It looks just like coal. Christmas is still in my head, guys. But this is the mic cover. I forgot what these are called. I know they have a name, but that's what this is. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited for this, guys. And here, what we all been waiting for is the mic. Oh my God, this has some weight to it, guys. It is called the Florion. You guys probably could not see this. I am excited to see this. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. It is freezing my hand off, but look at this. It is not a dildo, but it does look like one. Kind of, not really. This is the mic itself. It's going to have this on top of it, like in it, so this probably isn't going to be shown. And then this is going to go around it. We'll put this together in a minute, if I can. And then this goes like in it somehow, and it works like that. But I'll read the instructions in a moment. But look at this, guys. It is really nice ultra blue with gold plating around it, with really nice chrome. And oh my God, you guys see this right here? That's its hookup point. We got it's called a Florion. It's made in China. It's the MB800 series. You guys see that gold plating right there? That's real nice. Chrome up here. Whew. I am enjoying this right now, guys. You guys do not know how excited I am to have actually a mic that's going to be not built into my webcam. Pretty much, I'm pretty hyped for it. I'm really excited to use it. So I'm going to keep this box art because this box art is pretty sick. But don't go anywhere, guys, because we are still going to put this thing together, I hope. It's like they don't even... Oh, a minute, let me close it. I will close this box later, but yeah. One look at the box art, guys. Right there. Really cool looking. And then here we go. So, let's get these instructions in here. Hopefully they're in English. So, this is a professional condenser microphone which adapts the exacting complete electronic circuit control and gold-plated diaphragm capsule. The microphone, which is good poor pickup pattern, high output. This must be made by someone that does not speak English because I cannot read it at all. And accurate something. Okay, usage. No. Yeah, these are the instructions pretty much, and it does not have any. So let's go ahead and put this together as the best that we can possibly do. Watch it be crap. So I think this is just going to go through here. And I'm pretty sure these tighten. I'm not sure. What do I do? Okay. Oh, I think I see what I do. Watch it just break inside of my life. Okay, so let me actually look at the picture real quick before I fuck it all up. I have a picture of it somewhere. Where is it? Let's see if it's actually on the box. Okay. So it looks like it's gonna be like, so it's gonna go. Damn, this is confusing. Let's see if we can go through this way. I hope I don't fuck this all up. Yeah, I think this is how it goes, right? Probably not. It's all good though. Okay. Let me just make sure I'm actually doing this right. I think I am. Yeah, I think I'm doing this right. Let's see how far this actually goes down. Goes down, I think, all the way? No. Okay, where's that cord? And I threw it on the ground. That's what I did with it. Okay, let's get the cord in here. I think that went too far down. Okay, let's get this cord on it before we get this on here. And this is, I think, where the arm connects. 1 minute, guys. There's like metal shavings in here, and it's kind of weird, but that's okay. It's just metal shavings. Then there's this white thing on here. But yeah, this is what we have so far, guys. It's gonna hang like it's gonna hang up higher, but it's really cool so far. Let me undo the cord right now. This is when you guys find out that I'm just a little bit retarded because I cannot take a little bread thing off of it. That's what I call those, bread things. And let's connect this cord real quick. Wow, this is quite a long cord, so that's good. That's a good feature that they have. Feature, I don't know if that's the right name for it, but I'm just going to go ahead and say it since I already did say it. And connect it to the back right here. So looks like it goes in right here. No, I don't want to force it in. I feel like I'm forcing it in. And that does not sound good. 1 minute. Let's pull this thing back out. Oh my god, this thing is stiff. Everything I say right now does not sound right. I just want to let you guys know that. I just feel like I'm going to break it if I pull any harder, you know? There we go. Okay, so we have... This goes right here. Okay, I think that's plugged in right there. So there we go. We got the cord plugged in. I didn't even break it, so that's good. And this is what it looks like right now, guys. Does not look that bad. I'm really excited for this, and it's going to just come down like this, I think. I think I have it on right anyways. Do I? Probably not. That's okay. That is okay. Probably not. But anyways, 1 minute. Let's actually loosen this up a little bit if it's possible. Because I feel like I have it on it too tight. Yeah, I did. I had it on it way too tight. I want to be able to see that on there. And then the cord, let's look at the box again. It's going to go like, it's going to be up like this. And it's going to be coming down like this. So let's see what it looks like with this on it. Watch me. You guys are probably going to be like, that doesn't go there, but that's okay. Does this even fit? This probably doesn't even go on here, right? This is so when I spit everywhere, because you guys know I'm known for spitting everywhere apparently. So that's what this is for, and this is what we have so far, and it is hot in my room. Just want to let you guys know that. Here we go. This is our mic. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want to know what this microphone is, or if you guys want to look it up, you guys can as well. Look it up. I'll have a link in the description of this video. Hopefully you guys get one of these. I'll probably... next time I do a live stream or make another video, it's not going to be seen in this video, but this is just my stock audio from my old microphone, aka my camera. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and hopefully this audio does get better with this microphone. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, guys.